Now, here's where the advantage that the automatic transmission folks like the M4 and others have over the manual transmissions. The manual transmission has a big fatty hose that goes right through that port right there, and it is an incredible pain. In this case, all we have to do is just back that plug straight out, and you can use a long bladed tool like a screwdriver, or in this case I'm probably going to use an extension, a wrench extension, to just push that plug out of place to run that cable through that hole. So what I have is, this is that little black plug that fits into the firewall hole. What I've done is I've cut a little plus in it because I'm going to feed the end of the plug of the OBD cable through this and then fit this back into place, because the last thing I want is this open plug through the firewall. I don't necessarily think it'd be a problem, but let's make sure that it's not. So the ODB cable is up and through. Like I said, I fed or threaded that little rubber grommet through this cable through and fed it all the way down and plugged it back into place back here. It's a little difficult to get in place, but I think it's worth the effort. The other thing that I've done is I've made sure to feed the cable up nicely to get up to this point. You can see that this is the run that comes over from the JB4, and I've connected it here. So once this is connected, I'm going to tuck all this down in a way and make sure that I've got good cable management here. So I'm an old IT guy, so when I talk about cable management, maybe it's coming from a different place, but I really believe that you should make sure that things aren't rattling, rubbing, getting into places where they're going to get hurt. Now, the other thing that I do in this case with this particular plug, and maybe it's just me, I always use a little bit of electrical tape and wrap this plug to make sure that it stays in place. Now, the lock seems to be pretty secure, but the other thing it'll do is that if you get a little bit of moisture in here, that sort of thing, this will just help protect that plug a little bit more. So now I'm going to tuck all this away and make sure that this is all nice and neat and clean, but there's no problem. It's not going to rub against anything like that. So our cables are good to go here.